Our core Java programming tutorial is designed for students and working professionals. Java is an object-oriented, class-based, concurrent, secured and general-purpose computer programming language. It is a widely used robust technology. What is Java? Java is a programming language and a platform. Java is a high-level, robust, object-oriented and secure programming language. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems, which is now the subsidiary of Oracle, in the year 1995. James Gosling is known as the father of Java. Before Java, its name was Oak. Since Oak was already a registered company, so James Gosling and his team changed the name from Oak to Java.